Oh, holy. Let's just try again.
Good accuracy. Oh, I spoke too soon. We've just walked up to see Neo in action, and someone is operating Neo right now and watering all the plants.
Does a pretty good job of like tidying, so like resetting my living room and my house in general, wiping surfaces, like cleaning the counter.
And that's all someone with a VR headset.
It's a mix. Periodically, someone kind of steps in and helps if the robot does not know exactly how to move on.
So Tony, can I just check with you? There's no one that we can't see doing this for the robot. This is all autonomous.
Yes, it's one single neural network controlling the whole body movements.
We believe today people have two aspirations, usually like a car and a house. In the future, they'll have three aspirations, a car and a house and a robot.